Is this workshop right for you? Well, is any guaranteed prosperity workshop right for you? Let me put it to you this way. At the last seminar that we did, which was on Friday, we had such an amazing response that everybody wanted another one right away. So we added one this week, and you should join. Go to the link in the description and you'll find out more. But let me tell you if you should actually join or not. I'll put it to you this way. If somebody came to you on the eve of 2020, the night before 2020 kicked in, and it was a brand new year and everything looked amazing, and somebody said to you, hey, 2020 is going to have some crazy things happening. There's going to be a global event that's going to change everything and you should prepare. How would you have acted? What would you have done? What would you change in your plans? Well, what happened during 2020 was out of nowhere. We see things that I don't think the average person sees for what's coming in 2024. And because of that, we want you to know what's coming. And to give you an idea, it has to do with a recession, it has to do with inflation, it has to do with global wars, and it has to do with how that's going to affect you, your business, your employment, and what you can do about it. So if that's something you're interested in, yes, the workshop is right for you. But on top of that, you need to come in ready to participate. You need to come in ready to actually do drills and activities and stretch your mind and answer questions and really look into it to make it yours, not just sit there in a class. If you're willing to also participate, then yes, it's right for you. If you like to invest in yourself, if you like to participate, this workshop is right for you, and any guaranteed prosperity workshop is right for you because you will always invest in yourself and you'll always be asked to participate. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the next one. Go to the link in the description below. You'll find it, I'm sure, and we'll see you there.